Let me ask you a question. Do you find yourself frequently going off track from your life goals and wasting your time? Yes, then keep watching this video. Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the online life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I want to share the most powerful question that you can ask yourself every single day. And the question is, am I doing the important necessary activities every day to become the person I most want to become? Let me repeat the question. Am I doing the important necessary activities every day to become the person I most want to become? And when you ask this question, you can only get two answers. Yes or no. If it is a yes, it means you are on track and you are moving in the direction of your goals. And if the answer is no, then it means you are off track, you are wasting your time and you are wasting your life. Let's take a few examples. You are a 10th standard student and you want to score 95% in your 10th final exams. So ask a question like, am I doing the important necessary activities every day to score 95% in my 10th final exams? Yes or no? Let's take you want to become a businessman. So ask yourself, am I doing the important necessary activities every day to become the businessman I most want to become? Yes or no? Let's say you want to become the CEO of a company. Ask yourself, am I doing the important necessary activities every day to become the CEO of a company? Yes or no? Or let's say you want to earn 5 lakh rupees per month. So ask yourself the question, am I doing the important necessary activities every day to earn 5 lakhs per month? Yes or no? I hope you get the idea. Asking this very powerful question will keep you on track and will keep you focused on things that are meaningful, productive, and goal-oriented. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.